Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google option on this device. So as can you see, when I'm saying Hey Google or OK Google, this feature is turned on, and now just to turn it off, we should go here into the Google folder and launch the Google application. After that, click here on the right upper corner and go into the settings. Now just tap to the voice and click to the voice match section. Just to turn off the Hey Google, you should click here. OK. You should click here once on the switcher, then tap to OK, and as can you see, the Hey Google feature is activated, and when I'm saying Hey Google or OK Google, it doesn't work. So that's it, that's how to turn off Hey Google option of Google Assistant on this device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.